Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, these designer pockets are the one that I'm going to take you through in the making. As you can see, I've just cut my stripes in two different colors to make a basket pocket or designer pocket. Now after having done them, I'm going to show you how I've ironed them, and you'll see them very well. You have to fold them at half an inch as you can see me folding them, but I'm going to iron them and then I come back when I've just ironed them. Now what I'm doing is you are going to split them into two, then you sew them. The first color you sew it like as I'm doing, because we need it while we are making, we need it to come out very well. So you'll first sew the one color. You will see how it will react after I'm done. So after cutting and sorting them up, we are going to assemble them. If you know how the mat is done, or you've ever seen the mat, that is the procedures on how we make it. That's the procedure on how we make it. So as you can see, the shape is forming up. The shape is forming up. So remember one as we are making, the first one was down on the first row, then the second one, which was down, we interstitch it to be up. As you can see me doing that, the shape is coming up of our mat. First of all, we are doing the mat in a designer way. The mat, you see how it looks like. So whatever piece we cut in navy blue, we are going to also fix it there. So I thank you for having stayed on my channel, and I request you to keep following me and subscribe to that channel, and you will see a subscription button below. Subscribe, don't leave without subscribing. I just humbly request you to subscribe, because more videos on my channel are coming up, and others that which you have not seen before are going to be coming up. Now you see the far we have done it. Let me zoom it very well and you see how close it is. It looks so beautiful. You see how it looks like? So that's how we have interstitched it. So having marked where my pocket is going to be, first face it, because that is the facing. So I'm going to sew that pocket where we want to fix our design that we have just made. So we sew like that. So after sewing it, we are going to, after sewing, you'll see how it will look like. But remember, we are going to just turn it around, so we need to leave a little space. We need to not a space there, because we are going to cut it. Now you see that is where the hole of our pocket is going to be. So you cut a notch where that facing can overturn or turn inside, because we are going to also to iron it so that it turns inside, because we don't want that. What we want is our pocket. So that one is just going to make our shape of the pocket, and finally our pocket will be right done. You see what I'm doing? So we are going to iron, and it will go inside. I will come back and show you. As you see, it has just um, turned inside. So what we are going to do is to stitch around, so that our pocket looks very nicely. I thank you for watching my channel. That has just been a way of making a designer pocket. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, and do it yourself and see that what I'm teaching you, you like it. Leave your comment below. I really appreciate you. I thank you.